everyone, today I'll be going over 1.6, classify polygons. So let's first go over some vocab. A polygon is a closed plane figure. It's formed by 3 or more line segments called sides, and the endpoint of a side is a vertex. Convex means that no line that contains a side of the polygon contains a point in the interior of the polygon. So to the right I have a trapezoid, and if we extend all of the lines, you can see that none of them will hit the interior of the trapezoid. Next we have concave, which basically just means not convex. But if we look at this line here, if we extend this one, it will hit the interior of the polygon. So that's why it's concave instead of convex. N-gon is the number of the polygon sides. Equilateral means all the sides are congruent. Equiangular means all the angles in the interior of the polygon are congruent. And regular means it's a convex polygon that is both equilateral and equiangular. When classifying polygons, we have these names. If it has 3 sides, it's called a triangle. 4 would be quadrilateral. 5 is a pentagon. 6 is a hexagon. 7 is a septagon. 8 is an octagon. 9 is a nonagon. 10 is a decagon. And 12 is, I don't know how to say it, but I'll leave the name there. And n would be n-gon. So if you had 17 sides, it would just be a 17-gon. So let's start with some examples. We have classify the polygon. So in the first example here, we have 6 sides. So we know that's going to be a hexagon. And the blue dashes mean that all the sides are congruent, and the pink mean that all of the angles are congruent. So this is called a regular hexagon. Next we have a 4-sided figure, so that's called a quadrilateral. And the opposite sides are congruent. So since not all 4 sides are the same, that means it's not equilateral. And these right angles mean that they're all 90 degrees, so they all have the same angle measure. So this would be equiangular. Next we have this problem. The expressions 2x plus 5 and 5x minus 16 represent the length of 2 sides of an equilateral hexagon. So the keyword here is equilateral, and that means all the sides are the same. Find the length of a side in inches. So that means we know that 2x plus 5 is going to equal 5x minus 16. And then to solve, we're going to move all the x's to one side. So we get 5 equals 3x minus 16. Then we're going to move the numbers to the other side, and we get 3x equals 21. And then divide by 3, and we get x equals 7. So now it tells us to find the length of one of the sides. We can plug it back into 2x plus 5 or 5x minus 16. Since they're both equal to each other, your final answer would be the same. So I'll just plug it into 2x plus 5. So that'll be 2 times 7 plus 5, which is 14 plus 5, which is 19. And it tells us that the units are inches, so the final answer would be 19 inches. Okay, for this last one, we want to find x, and we're going to assume that this is a regular polygon. So in a regular polygon, all of the sides are the same, it is equilateral, and all the angles are the same, so it's equiangular. So for this problem, that would mean that x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 5. Then to solve, we're going to subtract x squared on both sides, and they will cancel out. So we get 2x minus 3 equals 3x minus 5. Then we want to subtract 2x, and we get negative 3 equals x minus 5. And then add 5 to both sides, and we get x equals 2. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you classify polygons. Have a great day. Bye!